Hey everybody, today we're opening up a pack of 1990 Topps baseball cards. Who are we going to get today? Alright, let's see the state of the gum. Yeah, it's a full pack, or it's a full piece of gum. Alright. Ooh, got a Nolan Ryan right off the bat. Let's go with that one. Mookie Wilson, Ken Urbeck, Mike Jeffcoat, Mike Boddicker, Doug Jones, nice mustache, Nick Esiskai, I need to find out how to pronounce that, Mark Langston. We got the exciting new Topps magazine, Wes Lancaster, Marty Peavy, Tom Browning, Norm Carlton, Gary Ward,